Ever wished you could trade in those boring Spark minutes for something a bit more neon? You know, for that dazzling 5G speed that lets you download movies in seconds and stream crystal clear video calls? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the exciting world of Neon and figuring out if your Spark account can get you there. Neon, with its blazing fast 5G speeds, is revolutionizing how we connect. Imagine downloading entire seasons of your favorite shows in the blink of an eye. Or playing online games without a single lag. It's a game changer, and you're probably wondering, can you get this incredible speed with your existing Spark account? Let's be honest, navigating the world of telecommunications can feel like deciphering a secret code. So, let's break it down. First things first, you need to check if Neon is even available in your area. Coverage is expanding rapidly, but it's not everywhere yet. Head over to the Spark website or use their handy coverage map to see if you're in luck. If Neon is available where you live, the next step is to see if your current Spark plan is compatible. Some plans might already include 5G access, while others might require an upgrade. Contact Spark customer service. They're usually super helpful and can quickly tell you if your plan is Neon ready or if you need to switch things up. Now, here's the exciting part, your device matters. To truly experience Neon's power, you'll need a 5G compatible phone. If you're rocking an older device, it might be time for an upgrade. Many of the latest smartphones are 5G ready, so do your research and find the perfect match for your needs. Once you've got the right plan, the right device, and coverage in your area, you're good to go. Experience the thrill of lightning-fast downloads, ultra-low latency gaming, and crystal-clear video calls. Neon truly transforms your digital life. So, can you get Neon with your Spark account? The answer is a resounding maybe. It depends on your current plan, your location, and your device. But with a little research and a quick chat with Spark, you can unlock the power of 5G and experience a whole new level of connectivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.